I'd like to show you the setup on your turnout pans for the Fire Innovations NFPA Cree escape belt ladder belt. The D-ring should be mid-center here. And you would take the belt and wrap it around yourself. And then you snap it together. After you do that, you pull on this to adjust it and then feed it through the 3-bar buckle here, the plastic 3-bar buckle. You can take your Velcro and then unvelcro it and put the belt back in. Now, if you don't have Velcro straps and you just have set loops, you can just feed them through the set loops also. Once you do that, put your turnouts on, but first on this belt here, I took the suspenders off so I can show you that, but the suspenders should still be on your turnouts. This belt does require suspenders, or we recommend suspenders, because it's very difficult to tighten this. This is a set and go belt. So you still require suspenders on there. After you do that, place your turnouts on with your suspenders, and then tighten this up more to where you think it's going to feel comfortable on you. For more information, contact Fire Innovations or fireinnovations.com.